Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
Not too bad, thank you. Is it Ramzan
Yes,
or is
Ramzan.
it Mohammed Ramzan?
Yes,
Okay,
you can call me Ramzan.
Ramzan. I'll just call you sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Your name is Julia, right?
Julia, yes. So where are you from?
I'm from India.
Okay. I've not spoken to very many from India. Whereabout in India are you?
Northern part of India.
Northern part. Okay. And what's it like round there? Is it nice or?
Yes, everything is fine here. We have the snowfalls, and other than that, we have a lot of greenery here. So that's why we love to live here all the time. And when we have any urgency, then we move from this city to any other city.
Okay. So you say you've got snow at the moment.
Yes, on the mountains.
Okay. Because I don't think of India having snow.
Why
India
you
to
don't
me
think?
is a real, because you always think of India being hot, so you don't think of it
Yes,
having
that
snow.
yes, that is. But in the center of India and maybe east and west and then south, there is the weather hot. I mean hot weather. But other than that, on the northern part, we have the snowfall. We have about 6 months of uh, cold here.
Wow. Now that,
Yes.
okay.
And what's your profession?
I'm a teacher. I am a teacher.
So
Yeah.
on the Cambly, or you are working on in any other organization?
Pretty much only on Cambly at the moment. Um, I moved to Spain about 15, 16 months ago. So I've been trying to set up my own teaching English as a foreign language business during a pandemic. Not going too well. So
Why it is not going too well? You already know that this is online business, and from your home you are trying to manage, and anywhere in the world if you are
yeah,
going, then of course you can connect with the
that's it.
students.
I was doing it sort of like going into students' homes and things when they come home from school and teaching them that way. But do you know, I actually, since I've come on Cambly, this is only about my 4th week. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm getting to speak to adults. I'm getting to teach some children. I've got a 10-year-old boy that comes to me twice a week on Cambly. So, you know, in that sense, I get variety, but I get a variety of nationalities. So I'm learning about different cultures, different traditions, as well as obviously sort of discussing things like language or the dreaded one of religion. I know sort of like generally
Mhm.
it's a topic you avoid, but I was talking to a gentleman the other day who was a Muslim, and I had taught in
Mhm.
a school that had been 98% Muslim, and I wanted to clarify some of the things that the children had told me, because you know what children are like. So I was asking about sort of whether it was true that you had to go to mosque, otherwise Allah would never forgive you, sort of thing. And so he was explaining that you don't have to, but obviously it's a sort of like it's better.
Recommended.
But you know, like with Christianity, you don't have to go to church to talk to God. You don't have to be in the mosque to talk to Allah. You know, He is everywhere, not just in that one building. So yeah, you know, I've had really varied conversations, and I mean that particular guy made me laugh. He's a lawyer, but was driving his car whilst doing the video call, and I was like, "Is this safe?" And he's like, "Yes, hands free." I am not holding it. And I have my seatbelt. I'm like, okay, please don't have an accident. I don't want to witness.
Yes, actually, you are talking about the recommendation of going to mosques. So actually, there are some conditions, and according to those rules and regulations, we try to go there. For example, I have the mosque about 10 seconds uh, takes to reach to the mosque. So for me, it's compulsory to go there. So if someone
Yeah,
is not nearby the mosque and living away, so there are some conditions. If those are fulfilled, then they will not go to the mosque. So there are few things.
yeah,
I mean, in the Quran and Hadith and in the books, so all the regulations are mentioned. So accordingly, we follow.
yeah. But it's not like Allah would never forgive you if you didn't go, which is what the
Yes,
children told me. It's like,
yes, of course.
not quite sure.
For example, we have 5 times prayer, and if you
Yeah,
are not going for a single one and quitting that one, uh, mm, I mean forcefully, or you can call it that you know that you have to do this, but you still not doing. So in that way, Allah will never forgive you.
yeah. But what happened, for example, if you had an appointment at that time?
So you have to postpone that, or maybe you should mention any other time, because we have fixed timing for the prayers. So you have
Yeah,
to
yeah,
attend that.
yeah. And I know Friday's the big day, isn't it? Anyway, we are out of
Yes,
time, but
yes.
I've enjoyed talking to you. I'll send you my schedule. It would be great to talk again.